Good day, world. Today's Sunday, May 8th, 2016. It's Mother's Day. I'm out here in the south side, Houston, Texas, in Clear Lake, Porty Cove. I'm making a little video about my boat. I've got a 1996 24-foot maxum cabin cruiser. Down in the cabin right now. I got me a little cheap 12-volt TV with a DVD player in it that I got from Best Buy. Well, I lay it down so I don't get broke. But here's a view from inside the cabin. I got me a AC unit over here that I made. And a little Yamaha 2000 quiet generator. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on so you can see what it does. Works pretty nice. Definitely gets the cabin down in the 60 degrees out here in this Texas heat. I don't know, you probably didn't notice, but the generator can run this 5,000 BTU window AC unit in its econo mode. It does cycle, and the engine revs up just a little bit when it first cycles, but then it goes right back down to where it was on its eco mode. So come out here, see my subwoofers I installed myself. There's my little generator. A little gloomy today. It's a bit of a mess from partying. Oh, I got me a little alcohol stove on here. Bed. Got a half bed back here. Refrigerator. Head.